Hola Mzansi. Welcome to the Soccer YouTube channel that will bring you the latest soccer news the way you want them to be. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. So first, since all of us have been wondering why did Pesuta was on the bench against CRB. So first, this is the answer. The Al Ahly coach Marcelo Kola has reportedly sent a message to the management after leaving Pesitao and Mohamed Mekle Ashfla on the bench against CRB. Buffets, with the defending African champions, suffered their first defeat of the Cup Champions League group stages after going down 1-0 to the Algerian outfits on Friday night. The defeat did not come as a surprise, especially after Belouizdad lost 6-1 to Al Ahly a couple of weeks ago in Cairo. The Al Ahly former director of football, Wael Goma, claims that Kola was telling the club bosses that he does not have to depth on the bench anymore. He said, the defeat reveals the state of Al Ahly with coach Marcelo Kola, who wants to send a certain message with what he did in the Shabab Belouizdad match. Kola wants to send a message to the management that the team does not have players, which made him keep Mohamed Makli Ashfla and Pesitao as substitute and include Karim Al Debis as a winger. Why does Kola make a substitution until the 75 minutes? A good coach who quickly corrects mistakes it is logic to face a competitor you beat by 6 goals with this purely defensive plan. When Ashla participated, he created danger, so why is he sitting as a substitute? So Bafeto, what do you have to say about this? Please place your views on the comment section. I will see you on the next video. Asale kahle.